To add a new payment voucher, the user must navigate to the Accounting menu and click on Transactions submenu and select Payment Voucher option. This will show the home page of the Payment Voucher menu. Click on the Add button provided on the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form shows up. Select the business unit for which the payment voucher is created. Date will be shown by default. Reference for this transaction will be automatically generated as configured in the reference formula in Settings menu. User can enter any special reference for this payment voucher. Cost Center can be selected from the drop-down menu, either by scrolling or filter with the appropriate character. Currency field is auto-filled based on the business unit selected, which is configured in Settings menu. This currency can be changed during the transaction. Rate field will fetch the rate according to the currency selected, and it is always against the basic currency. Rates can be changed during the transaction. User can edit preferred rate field if needed, else the rate configured in the settings against the basic currency will be shown. Then click on the supplier field and select supplier by searching with the exact alphabet keyword, so the system will fetch the relevant result. Then the amount for the payment voucher to be entered in the amount field. Cash account details will be fetched by default based on the configuration done in the Settings menu. If the account details needs to be changed, it can be done by searching in the field by entering the alphabetic keyword, which will list out the available accounts. Once done, any notes to be included can be entered in the Notes field. Finally, if any attachment to be included can be done by clicking on the Browse option. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. The entered details will be saved successfully and can be seen on the home page. To view a payment voucher transaction, click on the View icon under Action column. This shows the individual payment voucher transaction details. To edit a payment voucher, click on the Edit icon under Action column. The Add Payment Voucher screen will be in edit mode. Once the changes are done, the user can save the updated data. A duplicate option is provided to minimize the user efforts in which the system will create a duplicate entry of payment voucher with pre-filled data. The user can edit the necessary fields and save. A new entry can be seen on the home page. User can print the payment voucher by clicking on the print icon, which will be shown on the Action column. To delete a payment voucher, click on the Delete icon under the Action column. The system will then show a confirmation message to the user for deletion, and if the user confirms, the payment voucher transaction will be deleted.